Helpful husband here today, and I've been given an assignment. How do we take this plant stand and turn it into a great circular knitting machine stand? Well, we've got to take out the center, and the best way to do that is with a little angle grinder. This one's from Harbor Freight. They're not real expensive. It's not something you're using every day. I find Harbor Freight tools are great. So let's see how we're going to do this. Flip it over so it's nice and stable. Turn the grinder on. As you can see, it'll throw a lot of sparks, so make sure you've got eyewear. Gloves are a great addition. You don't want to do this in shorts, but there's the middle out. And there is your ideal circular knitting machine stand. Thanks.